Fuck! Fuck! Close the door! There's a 50-50 chance of what happens next. Bye, bitch! Fuck! Go! 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 W. No! Fuck! Yeah. Oh my god! Why do I hear something here? Oh! Oh! Whoops. 8,000. We could leave right now, but I'm kind of feeling greedy. Nope, not greedy enough for that though. Fuck!
Now it's on my head.
That thing I said earlier about being greedy, I'm kind of second guessing it a little bit. Hopefully that's got better luck. Nope, nope, nope. Oh shit!
Yeah, while you were gone, I went out and got some drinks.
This looks loud.
Nice, dude. No. Okay, shh.
The coast is clear.
What was that? Nothing? Big win.
Yeah, I feel like there's something behind here. I don't know why, but I'm getting that vibe.
Me too. Well, might be wrong. Oh!
Yeah, fuck that. Oh my god! My ass!
Dude, you were right. You were right. I don't see her anymore.
Okay, I think she fucked off, hopefully.
Is the baby like the noise that thing?
The baby noise? Yeah, you're freaking me out, man.
my bad. my bad, dog.
Yep, nope.
Where?
It's okay. We're chill.
Oh,
nope,
shit.
maybe don't open it this way.
I'm wheezing.
It's back there.
Oh, I see
I
it.
don't know what the fuck that is, bro. I don't want to find
Yo, what the fuck? No. There's other doors. There's other doors that we can use. Follow me. Follow me.
Wait, is there?
Yes, there is. Yo, let's go.
Do have to go that way. We gotta get that extra $608, $608, and then we're out of here. Well,
Okay. Oh, bad. Go. Oh.
yo, there's something huge in here. We both have to grab it. Look over there.
Where? This way? Yo!
Shh.
Okay.
He's on the other side now, so chain.
Oh my god!
Where is he? He's coming.
Oh my god! Your face! Your face! He's gone. Okay.
He's coming, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming.
Oh fuck! I think he's.
Get away from my car! Bitch! Your mom's ugly! Are you ignoring me, bro, for real? Yeah, alright, let's just get this fucking thing, bro.
Dude, I'm fucking.
Oh my god!
Oh! Oh!
Fucking bitch. Damn, dude, we got $18,000. That's alright.
Damn! That's good. Brum brum! Alright, next destination. The way you're looking at me, dude.
Whoa. Whoa, what is this right off the bat? $10,000 right off the bat?
What the Yo!
How
Dude.
rare is that, bro?
Dude, lucky,
No,
lucky.
wait, I feel like that can't be... No, don't, wait, that's weird, man.
Oh, perfect.
Fuck.
Got a little vase worth $1,900? Oh! Bryce!
Yeah? What the fuck was that? Oh, shit!